Hello, my name's Paul and this is Rakiraki. It is our 10 berth boat. It has 8 permanent beds inside the boat with a make-up double sofa bed. It's 69 foot long. There's been loads of work done to this boat over the last 12 months. We've repainted it. Hi there. And also had new flooring, new cushion covers, and a new kitchen and a new bathroom. So could say it's like Trigger's broom, but quite a good looking broom at the end of it. She's now in our fleet colours. She's been in the fleet for a while. She was green previously, but now she's in our new blue fleet colours. Got a nice large back deck, so you can cruise with company. And here's the lounge. Which is open plan and goes through to the kitchen. There are some tables that go into onto table legs that go into the holes on the floor, and then those tables over there sit on top. Kitchen's got a full-size oven, lots of pots and pans in the cupboard, and you've got a fridge freezer under the counter there. Just past the kitchen is the bathroom that we've refurbished. So it's had a new shower cubicle installed. Next comes the cabin with the bunk beds. You've got the top bunk and the bottom bunk. The wardrobes over here, you don't have to be permanently open to the other cabin. This wardrobe does actually open of an evening to create a bulkhead door with a folding out piece. Then we come to the first of 2 double cabins. Again, there's another wardrobe there for the double cabin. There's a duck hatch at the side here, as well as there's another duck hatch just over there. So you can look out of left or right duck hatches. I just banged the camera on the ceiling there. And here is the second bathroom with a full shower. And then lastly, there is the second double cabin. Which is just there. And this cabin has another wardrobe. And then comes straight out onto the front deck. So that's Rakiraki, a 10-person boat. The additional third double is in the lounge. That converts into a double sofa bed. So there she is. If you'd like to take Rakiraki on holiday, or any of the boats in the fleet, you can give us a ring on the phone number, or have a look at the fleet and the available boats and their prices on our website.